Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on start icon, then select device manager. It will open any window that is device manager. Now expand sound, video and game controller. Right click and select update driver. Now just follow my screen. After that, click on check for updates and wait for some time. Then download and install the latest update version. Now close this window. Again, right click on update drivers. Just select this and click on next. Select as. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Then close this windows. Now right click on and select troubleshoot sound problems. It will try to detect the problems for playing audio. Now click here and then check this box. Click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. Again open device manager. Then expand sound, video and game controller. Right click on it and select uninstall device. Go to search bar, type Google Chrome. In the search bar type Realtek audio drivers and then click on this link from intel.com. Select the version, latest one, and click here to download the setup file for software, driver software. Now extract this. Open this folder. And double click on setup file, select as, and complete the installation setup process. Click on next. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, check this option and click on finish. It will automatically restart your machine. Once done, you can check. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.